Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. This week I am making these lovely wee tiny treat boxes. I'm sure you've seen them about. Stampin' Up has brought this lovely new day, and it was my first thing that I ordered as soon as I could pre-order. I was just so excited about it. I think the possibilities are just endless. This one is going to be a wee Christmas box, a Christmas treat box. I have made another one, also a sweet treat box, but I've used the stamp set for this one. You get these stamp, look, I have to show you because it's just so cute. You buy it as a bundle and you save 10%, but you get this stamp set with it, and it gives you lovely stripes or gingham and lots of wee sentiments and a lovely snowflake, which we used here on the front. So you can stamp that up in any colour. You will be able to make one of these boxes out of a piece of 6-inch square paper. I'm using larger paper this evening, which is 12 by 12, and it's called Brightly Gleaming Specialty Papers, and I got 2 or 4, so we get 4 out of one big sheet. These are 12 by 12, so you will get 4 out of that. I mean, I am making loads of them, absolutely loads. I did my wee Christmas tree hangers last year with lots of wee treats and lipsils and lip gloss and all that stuff inside the wee tiny boxes that I made. This year is going to be so much quicker for me. I love these. I'm going to have them sitting at the door. I'm going to have them from the class ladies when they come. I'm going to have them from my young kids. They're going to be filled with their Christmas money and a few wee treats. I have so many ideas and I just want to share it with you. And I'm sure you've seen it before, but honestly, it's my turn now. So the one I'm making tonight, I cut 2 out of the one sheet of paper, and it is this design on one side and the stars design the other side. So I thought I'd do one with that design and one with the stars. And you can see you get so many dies in that packet. I mean, it is just brilliant. Great quality dies, cuts like a ribbon, just once through, bang, it was cut. And you've got your choice of little tags and your stamps to fit into them, and a few wee sprigs, and of course your snowflake. And you can cut 2 at a time because you get 2, which speeds everything up when you're doing lots of these. I mean, these would be great for wedding treats and everything. They're limitless. They really are. It's definitely worth your money. So get your die, cut it through, just roll it through once. Doesn't matter what machine you're using, it'll go through all machines. And then a tip is just to curl. Now this is not real thick paper, but it's just working beautifully, and I'll show you what treats I have in it in a wee second. But curl them all up. It just gives them a nice wee rounded shape whenever you're building it up. Again, you don't have to do it, but I like it to be nice and curved. And then just simply crease along the wee creases that are already there for you. I mean, it's the most simple box you'll ever do in your life, honestly. Simple, quick and easy. And that's it more or less created. You bring your 2 wee handles, which you can also crease there to make them fit nice and simply together. They go across the top. This slots in, and then the other one slaps over. But I don't want to do it yet. I want to do my wee stamped bit first. So I went ahead and I cut the wee snowflakes out. I cut a star tag, and I cut 2 of these. That one I turned to show the stars. This one I'm going to turn to show the inside. So, you know, you have so many possibilities. What is there not to like about this? So I'm using Sweet Treat, which just about fits onto that. Okay, I'm happy enough with it. And I'm going with Native Navy just to match it all. You could liven it up with a bit of red or whatever. The choice is yours. So for this here, because I've went ahead and cut these, I didn't want to be running the machine with you. Normally you'd stamp it, set your die over the top and then cut it, but it is possible to do it this way. So what I did is ink that up, and then just got my snowflake that I'd already cut and gently set it on. So just have a few cut in case you make a mistake. But it is pretty easy, and just lift it straight off, and there you have your wee snowflake. So for this, we're going to ink up the lettering, and we're going to just try and get it proper. Just make sure you've got Sweet Treat reading properly. Line that up and just try and go central. That's good. Happy enough with that. So we'll put these out of the way because I always get a mess with ink. Now to decorate those, I'm going with the matching wee star elements, which come as a packet as well. And I just think they're so cute. They really lift the whole the wee snowflake. Just makes it stand out that wee bit more. You could put a snowflake back and front, but I thought it's going to be sitting this way. That's the part you're going to see. So don't be wasting your elements if you're not going to see it. If you're going to hang on a tree or something, you're going to see both sides, then go ahead and decorate it up even more. Pop one of those there, and then we're just going to put a wee dimensional on the back, and then just add that to your, whoops, I'll say this is the front, so we'll add it there. Just go down a wee bit so that it shows nicely, and that's all we want to do at this stage. So we're going to close it up, pop one side over, and then we're going to add our treats. So just make sure it's pulled right through, and it will stay there. It's just so pretty. Sorry about the light tonight. I'm working at night time. I just have so much to do at the minute. I'm trying to squeeze this in this evening. So this holds about 5 or 6 treats. I'm being very good and getting 5. These wee lovely Lind mini eggs. They're so beautiful, lovely colours, and they're certainly perfect. I don't see anybody's going to refuse those for Christmas. And if you really want the Christmas up, you could put a wee band of Christmassy paper. But I am happy enough where they are. So I'm going to pop those in. And you can see there, I could get another one in easy, but I'm sticking to 5 because I have quite a few to make. So close that over. That's your box more or less done. You want to do your wee bit of layering here with these two. So we're showing this side up, so I want that to sit slightly kiltered off to one side, just so that you actually see it. Otherwise it's just going to fall on top of it and you're just going to see the white top then. So I'm putting a wee bit there, wee bit of a dimensional. I'm lining this up with the hole so that will work out properly, and then just pop that on, and there you've got like a kind of a layered effect. And what I'm using is the lovely spotty tulle ribbon. It is tulle, isn't it? I always get that wrong, but you'll know what I'm talking about. Thread it through, and then because this is the opening, I don't want to tie a real tight knot. I've just tied it in one knot so they can easily loosen that to get it opened. Though knowing my kids, the grandkids, they will just rip it open. But I do try and tell them how to get into their wee prizes. Adults are a wee bit better. So just tie that and pull it round so that it's sitting where you want to sit it. And it's just one wee tie, nothing too much. And just follow your dots and cut your ribbon. And that keeps you nice and straight. How quick and easy was that? Like, I mean, it's just amazing. You could use up all your old 6x6 cards. They don't have to be for Christmas. You could do them for any time of the year, and I think they're quite cute. I mean, another idea I have here is the one I did for Halloween. The kids come into the door and get one of these each, and again there's 5 sweets. You could also put gums and whatever you want to put inside it, or you know, the slimy stuff you can get for kids. And I've just simply drawn an orange line down, and then just cut round for a mouth, triangles there, and 2 eyes, and just tied it on and stamped boo. And there you have it. So quick, so easy, and you can just have so much fun with them. So if you're going to buy anything out of the new catalogue, I recommend this. You will enjoy it. So I'll have all details down below, and I hope that give you a wee idea of what you can do with them, and maybe enthuse you into treating yourself to these wee treat boxes. So I'll catch you again next week. Bye.